Welcome back to the Survival Gardener Minute. I'm David the Good. Today's question is from Robert Buckley, who has 1/10 of an acre, and he's already planted a bunch of crops in the sunniest areas, but he says he has shadier areas that he can't trim the trees in, so he's only getting 5 to 6 hours a day. If you are in Florida, 5 to 6 hours a day is good enough. You're going to be able to grow a lot of stuff in that. You'll probably be able to push things into that shade and not have trouble. Full sun in Florida is like really intense. So if you're getting even half a day's sun, most of the time you can get away with some stuff you wouldn't think. But if you have even shadier areas, I would plant greens and I would plant gingers and turmeric. And you can also get away with planting pineapples in the shade. They will produce. They don't produce quite as well, but they'll still produce. I had them underneath oak trees, no problem. So think mustards, kales, herbs, you know, that kind of thing. So go for it. And yes, I say herbs. I'm not French. We don't need to say herb. We just don't need to. Herbs. Doesn't that just make more sense? Anyhow, so go ahead and use that area and push that sun-loving stuff into the shade and see how it does. You're probably still going to get decent yields. Maybe not as much as full sun, but it's worth playing with. But concentrate on stuff that does not make roots or fruits, because making roots or fruits requires more sun because the plants need those sugars to make all that storage that they're going to do, the storage of sugars / starches in roots and fruits. So think greens first, and your gingers and turmerics will love it. There's a few other things you can do too. So push it, see what happens. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys next time. Check me out on the web at thesurvivalgardener.com. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green. And be sure to like and subscribe because I'm going to be doing these things daily. Catch you later.